Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go over some technical analysis on AMC Entertainment Holdings, ticker symbol AMC. The market is about 30 seconds away from closing. Currently, we're pushing and testing that $17 level. We're trying to get there. We got as high as I think about $16.93, currently at about $16.85. So we're going to take a look at the chart, see what they're telling us. I'll tell you what my plans are moving forward with AMC coming into earnings. Okay, so you'll probably hear the bell dinging here in a second. Possibly, I don't even know if I have my volume on. So if you hear the bell, that means the market is closed. So we want to see exactly where we finish up from here. So AMC currently, like I said, at 1686, and there was the bell. Kind of forming, guys, a smaller cup and handle pattern here from about 1773 or some change, or even really right here at about pretty much right where it's at about $17. So here's your little cup here. You can possibly see a pullback, which would kind of make sense because we are overbought on the 180-day 4-hour time frame. But as long as we hold at about no lower than about 1570, then we could come up pretty aggressive come earnings. All right. So AMC Entertainment, guys, the earnings preview, this is off of Yahoo Finance, is what's in store. It says AMC is scheduled to report its second quarter earnings on August the 4th. In the last quarter, the company's earnings surpassed the Zacks consensus estimate by 17.5%. The Q2 estimates for the quarter to be reported, the Zacks consensus estimate for loss per share has widened to 26 cents over the past 30 days. From 22 cents per share. In the prior year quarter, the company had reported an adjusted loss per share of 71 cents. The consensus mark for revenues is pegged at $1.12 billion, compared with the year ago figure of $444.7 million. Factors to note: the company's second quarter 2022 results are likely to have benefited from a sharp increase in global attendance and average ticket pricing. Earlier, the company had said that in 2022, film slate is expected to be significantly stronger than 2021. The robust performance of its domestic box office bodes well. The Zacks consensus estimate for admission revenues is pegged at $642 million compared to $233 million reported in the prior year quarter. The consensus estimate for food and beverage revenues is pegged at $376 million compared with $162 million reported in the prior year quarter. However, AMC Entertainment is making comprehensive health and sanitation programs, which includes enhanced cleaning procedures and upgraded air filtration efforts to ensure maximum safety for guests. These efforts entail high costs that are likely to have weighed on the second quarter performance. Monthly cash burns are likely to have weighed on the company's to be reported quarter's bottom line. So it says what our model says. I'm not sure what happened there, but I completely passed it up. See, what our model says. Our proven model doesn't conclusively predict an earnings beat for AMC Entertainment this time around. The combination of positive earnings, ESP, and a Zacks ranks number 1 strong buy, 2 buy, and 3 hold increases the odds of an earnings beat. AMC Entertainment has an earnings estimated share price of 14.29%. You can uncover the best stocks to buy and sell, blah, 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 with Zacks, yada, yada, yada. The company actually has a ranking currently of a 4, which says to sell. So this one here, guys, is, in my opinion, going to be a buy the rumor, sell the news type event. I really hope I'm wrong here. I hope it goes a lot higher than, than what I'm expecting. But let's go back and look at the charts really quickly. So really, anytime that you have something coming up and people are anticipating it and are getting excited and it starts running up beforehand, typically what happens the day of, or like right before the event comes out, is you see a dump. Okay, and I don't know if that's going to happen with this one here, or if we're going to see a little pullback prior and it just stall out. But at some point you're going to get some type of pullback. So in my opinion, and I could be completely wrong, is if we bust above $17 tomorrow and we run up a little bit higher, I think that you do see, the day of earnings. I think that you see right before earnings, the earnings call, you see a dump, and then if we have positive earnings, you see it come back pretty aggressive. But currently 1713 is your resistance, and then 2297 would be your next level of resistance there. So for me, what I'm looking at doing is having an option, and I'm looking for the expiration date to be on August the 5th, and looking at getting into an $18 call option. Okay, that way I get a little over $18. I'm broken even, and if I get anything above that, then then I'm making money on that. And I'm fairly new to options, so this is kind of a newer thing for me. So I'm hoping that it doesn't go the other way or go south, but we'll kind of see how that works out. So I want to just test it out and see what happens. So anyway, guys, just want to provide that update. Let me know your comments below. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.